Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I am showing how to make Turkish tea light holders without glass mosaic or ceramic paste. I am showing it in two ways, so please watch the video till the end. First method, when you have these kind of glass mosaic, take a plastic cup and stick the glass mosaic as shown. You can add some glass beads as well if you have. Apply some fevicol and then spread it evenly as shown. Normally Turkish tea light holders are made using ceramic powder or tile joint powder, and then they mix that powder with fevicol and water and then apply the paste on this surface. But here I am taking air dry clay and then rolling it using roller pin and then sticking it on the surface. Take a wet sponge and remove excess water and then rub it on the surface of the cup to remove excess clay. This will take some time, but the results are worth it. Now take clean water and repeat the process again. Now moving on to the second method, when you don't have those glass beads or glass mosaic, you can do this process. Take a waste plastic cup or a glass cup and then spread the air dry clay as shown. Take a wet sponge and remove excess water and rub it on the surface of the cup. This will give a smooth finish. Using a brush, make designs as shown. Color the designs using glass colors. You can take any brand glass colors. This is how it looks after you complete it. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.